Hey guys, we received this Roku wired indoor camera, security camera for trial and see. This comes in a really nice box. So this is from the company Roku that is good with this media and the Roku box and stuff. So this is a security camera from them and comes in a really nice box. There are two boxes, one for the camera, one for the accessories. So let me just open up this. So you can see this the camera. Those are the accessories like the adapter, power adapter, and then the other thing. So this is the main camera as you can see. So this is a small factor camera, and this is also have the magnetic back. So I will show that. So you can see this is a small factor camera, and then this is the USB cable here that you can use for the electric supply or the power supply. You have to add in a micro SD card in here, so that is separate. You have to get on your own. So this is the magnetic base as well. So means you can also put it any iron thing and just stick it there. So these are the other way you can use to stick up this one. So say like you want to use this is the magnet one as I said. So you can put this iron circular thing wherever you want the camera for, like with the screws or anything, and then you can just stick this camera there. So this comes with a really big or the large cord so that you can put it anywhere. And this is the high quality cable. So you can put this outdoor or indoor, but this is basically our indoor camera. So just like that, you can add up this micro USB, attach it with this, and then with this adapter, you can put it anywhere. So this adapter is a waterproof adapter. So this is the Roku Smart Home app that you have to install to get this camera and attach this camera with the app. So there's a reset button. So I've just put in my micro SD card in here because this requires a micro SD card. So the setup is easy with the app. You will see this light and then just add up the camera. So once you choose, the type of your camera and all those details, you can easily connect this with your mobile. And once connected, you can operate the whole camera from your mobile. So, see like this a two prong or the leg, then you just add it, stick it. There's a reset button. So yeah, just click it, ask you for to connect. So everything is explained on the app, and you can pretty much see that. Once this is all attached, you can easily then connect it through that. So once attached, you can give the name, you can start up the things, and then it's good to go. So these are certain tweak, but the thing is it can store your files locally and you can see those files on your mobile. For the cloud storage or the big cloud storage, you have to get the subscription. It's a paid subscription that you can use and then on things. So this will capture the whole 24-hour. Everything is captured on your SD card and that can be accessible on your mobile. So this is a nice thing that it stores locally as well, but for the cloud storage needs subscription. And then the clarity wise also it is good. So I'm just setting up some settings so that I can show it to you. I will show some outdoor pictures so you can see, and it will give you a notification as well if something comes up. So basically, it's a very nice clarity, nice thing that you can do with your camera. You can place it anywhere, stick it to a magnetic surface, or you can use the sticker or the screws to fit in that, and then put it your camera there. So you can record the files, you can take the photos, you can see the clarity. It's a really good clarity camera, and it's the outdoor thing that I'm capturing right now through that stuff. So overall, my impression is good for this camera and very helpful for your security use.